Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing just like this by using sport related videos, and I'm going to show you where you can get these sport related videos. And best thing is, you don't even need to show your face, you don't even need to make these videos by yourself. You don't need any special skills, you don't need any expensive softwares. Well, actually you are going to use a free software, and I'm going to show you how you can use these sport related videos to get free traffic to promote your affiliate products. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, you can apply this method on Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for this purpose, I'm actually going to use Clickbank. So what I need to do, I actually need to scroll here and I need to click here on Marketplace in order to find the products that I wish to promote. And because I mentioned that we are actually going to use sport related products, what I need to do, I actually need to scroll here. So let me just make this smaller. I need to scroll here on the bottom and I need to click here on sports, and here I can see sport related products, and some of these products are really good, but you need to do a research in order to find the best ones for you to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, vertical jump training. Now basketball is one of the most popular sports out there and many people have the problem with the vertical jump. Now, but for us affiliates, this is what is important. Here you can see gravity score is 28, which is a good gravity. And here you can see upsales flow. Now that is really important because that means that we can actually make much more money than initial sale. Also, here you can see recurring commission, which means we can actually get paid every month. Now that is really important for us. And also they have affiliate tools page. Again, that is important for us. And here you can see we can make on average $40 per sale. So let's say I wish to promote this product. So what I need to do, I actually need to open their affiliate tools page in a new tab. And I also need to open their sales page in a new tab. So this is their affiliate tools page. What you need to do, you need to scroll here on the bottom and click here to view our affiliate resources. Click here and here you can see more affiliate tools, affiliate resources that they are actually giving you. Here you can see email swipes, text links, banners and stuff like that. But when you actually go on their sales page, here when you scroll through this page, through their sales page, you will see this. They actually have testimonial videos. Now that is important for us because we are going to use these videos. And when you scroll further, you will see they have even more videos. And when you scroll even further, you will see that they have even more videos. Like I said, we need these videos in order to promote this product. And there are actually two ways to get these videos. First way is to go back to their affiliate tools page and click here. Have any questions? Contact us. Click here and send them an email and ask them to send you testimonial videos. And they actually have much more videos than this, than they actually have on their sales page. I think they have more than 100 testimonial videos. Now another way to do this is to actually, let's just copy vertical shock, okay, Control C, and actually go on YouTube and paste that here. So and then click here, and here you can see people are actually uploading videos, these videos from their sales page, and videos that they actually got, that they actually sent them, they are uploading those videos here on YouTube. And that means those are royalty free videos that you can actually use in order to promote their product. So all you have to do is just find one of these videos. So let me just scroll through these videos to find the best one to promote. Okay, so let's say I wish to use this video here, 8 weeks of word shock in 1 minute. So all I have to do is just click here to open this video. So let me just pause. And then I actually installed this add-on on my browser. You can add this add-on on Mozilla, on Google. I think you can even add it on Explorer. So just click here and choose the video. Okay, this is the video. So I will just click here, use browser, give it a few seconds, and actually it downloaded this video to my desktop. But now I actually need to edit this video a bit in order to add my call to action. Okay, to edit this video, you can actually use Canva, and you can even use a free option on Canva. And what you need to do, you need to click here on uploads, and you need to upload video that you just downloaded. So what you need to do, then you simply need to drag that video here, okay? And I'm going to drag it like this, okay? to make it fit. Now, ideally, this video would be in mobile video format, so it means it would be 1920 with 1080, but this is not the case and also, as you can see, this video is more than 1 minute long. So what I need to do, I actually need to make it shorter. To do that, all you have to do is just drag this slider like this, okay? And now this video is 59 seconds long, and I can even drag it a bit more, okay? And next thing I need to do, I actually need to move this slider here. And now I need to add my call to action. So let me just move this bit here, upper, okay? And what I need to do, I actually need to click here and then right click here and then split page, okay? And now I need to do exactly the same thing on another place. So let's say, for example, let's just say here, okay? Here, okay, here, and again, right click, split page, okay? And then just click here on this part because I wish to add call to action on this part here, and then just click here on text and choose one of these text styles. So let's just say this one here, for example, and I need to delete this, okay? And here I need to add my call to action. Now, if you're not good at writing call to actions, what you can do is you can simply go back to their affiliate tools page and you can, for example, click on email swipes. And here you can use one of the titles of their emails. So, for example, wanna dunk like Jordan, and I can simply Ctrl+C and copy that, go back here on Canva, and I can paste that here. And I can make this bit wider, just like this, okay? And I'm actually going to move that here. Now, what often happens if you have a mobile video, then this call to action quite often it's not that visible. So what you can do is you can simply double click here, okay? You can simply highlight this and then just click here on effects and choose one of these effects here. So for example, let's just say background, and now background is yellow. Now, if you want, you can simply scroll here and change that. For example, let's just say to be red. And I'm actually going to make this center like this, okay? And this is how it looks. But this is not the real call to action, right? I actually need to add call to action here on this second part. So I will actually move that slider here to make this from the beginning of this part of the video. And I will simply copy this, okay? Ctrl+C, and again, click here on this text. I'm going to delete this because I don't need that. And here I am going to add my call to action, and I'm going to make this wider, just like this, okay? And I'm going to make this smaller and again wider, okay? And I actually make this like this and in center, and I'm going to make this C to be capital, and I'm going to move that here, okay? And make it a bit larger. And again, to make it even more visible, what you need to do, you need to highlight everything here and then click here on effects and choose these effects, one of these effects, and that's it. I added call to action to my video. So now when I play this video, here you can see call to action. And not just that, so let me just pause this. When I click here, you can even actually animate this. Just click here on animate and then click here, and let's just say, okay, here you can see how this looks. Okay, so when I actually play it now, you see, it is animated now. So after you finish everything, you add your call to action. All you have to do is just click here on share and then click here on download and download MP4 video to your desktop. Okay, so to use this video to get traffic, what you need to do, you need to now go on YouTube and you need to upload this video on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts. Now, when you come here on YouTube and when you search, for example, let's just say dunk, okay? Dunk, and then press enter. And when you click here on filters and then under 4 minutes, you will usually get YouTube Shorts. And as you can see here, some of these YouTube Shorts are getting millions and millions of views. Most of these videos, YouTube Shorts of slam dunks, are getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views. So what you need to do, you need to upload these videos every day, and you need to add your affiliate link in the description of that video. But in order to get even more traffic, to make even more sales, what you need to do, you actually need to go on Instagram and create your Instagram page. As you can see, basketball is a huge topic on Instagram. So for example, when you go on this page here, As you can see, they have 112,000 followers. And when you scroll here and click on Reels, you will see that their Reels videos are getting thousands and thousands of views, quite often more than 100,000 views. And all you have to do is just add your link, your affiliate link in your bio. And also what I would suggest is to actually shorten your link, because when you go back here and when I click here on promote, you will see, okay, create a hook link. You will see that this is actually an ugly and long link. So you need to shorten it to make it shorter and better looking link, right? Because that will increase your chances of somebody actually clicking on that link. And like I said, you need to upload those videos every day. But maybe best place to upload these videos is actually TikTok. And that is why we created this video in mobile video format. And when you go here on TikTok, you will see that basketball is huge, really huge on TikTok. And here in search bar, when I type, for example, dunk again, and when I click here on enter to find dunk related TikTok videos, you will see that these videos are getting literally millions of views. 2.6, 2.5, 3 million views, 23 million views, 10 million views, 7 million views, and so on and so on. So these videos are getting millions and millions of views. And actually, when you go here and open one of these pages, so for example, let's just say I wish to open this page to check it out, here you will see that these guys actually have their affiliate link. This is, as you can see here, this ref equals 46. Now this ref, that means that this is a referral link, an affiliate link. These guys have 524,000 followers and they have their affiliate link in the bio. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to add your affiliate link in the bio of your own page. And when we go back here, you will see, click the link in my bio. So we added a call to action to this video. And that is exactly what you need to do. And here you can see their videos, 1.1 million views, 1.1 million views. Most of their videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. Now imagine how many clicks they're getting every day, because like I said, we added a call to action in each of our videos. How many clicks they are getting every day on their affiliate link and how many sales they are making. Now, what you need to do, you need to upload these videos every day, just like these guys. And when you go back here on their sales page, you will see that they have lots and lots of videos that you can use, that you can upload to your YouTube channel, to your Instagram page, to your TikTok page, even to your Pinterest page, to your Twitter page, and so on and so on. And you can use these videos, upload them every day. And trust me, if you do this constantly for a month or 2 or 3 months, you will start getting thousands and thousands of views. You will start getting thousands and thousands of followers. And if you add call to action in each of your videos, people will start clicking on the link in your bio and you will start making sales. Okay? So this is how to do affiliate marketing by getting free traffic. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.